Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix JavaScript error on Discord. As you can see, you will get this error like this. What you'll need to do to fix it, just type run right here, type %app data %, click OK. Here, go to the app data, click on local, scroll down until you find Discord right here. And what you'll need to do is just delete those files right here. After that, if you go back right here, delete the folder, and if you go to the roaming, you will need to find Discord again right here, and what you can do is delete all these files too, as you can see. And now what you'll need to do is just reopen your Discord and your problem should be fixed. So thank you guys, and see you in the next one. As you can see, as you reinstall your Discord, it will say that downloading the updates and your Discord should be fine. So thank you guys, and see you in the next one.